This is for lovers of craft filter coffee, for those who demand the gold cup standard or prefer to customise to suit their individual taste, the pour-over fans, the people who love their coffee strong, brewers who believe it's best served over ice, and those who like a slow cold brew. This is the Breville Precision Brewer, the world's first 60-ounce drip coffee maker, with the precision required to brew craft filter coffee automatically, with more precision and adjustability, delivering true craft coffee without compromise.